Hi guys, it's Dream and today I'm going to show you how to create your own preset on Funimate. So this is a shake that I made. Now going to the keyframe and I'm going to add another effect really quick. Now that I've added my effect, to create my own preset, I'm going to click the three dots at the bottom and click Save as Preset. Now I'm gonna name it and I'm gonna say expanding. Now I'm going to delete all of my keyframes from everywhere just so I can show you how it works. Now back to the keyframes menu, you can click my presets and now you can see I have multiple presets here, but the one we just created is expanding. So if I click it, you can see it applies that exact same preset that I made earlier. So I'm going to click OK and import it. Now you can see it's fully customizable, so I can go change the expand, I can go change the position. It's fully customizable, and it also adapts to the length of the clip. So if I delete all of this again and make the clip, for example, longer, and go back to the keyframe and select my presets and apply the preset, you're gonna see it's now adapted to the length of the clip. So it could be faster or slower depending on how long is the clip. Now you can also do this with multiple effects or only transform, and it's a quick way to improve your Funimate edits